Hello, dear friends. Today I'll share with you powerful anti-aging recipes with baking soda that cleanse the skin, smooth wrinkles, and lighten dark spots, naturally and effectively. Baking soda deeply cleanses pores, removes impurities, and gently renews the skin, leaving it clear, soft, and glowing. First recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. It gently exfoliates and softens the skin. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty secrets. Then add 1 teaspoon of milk. It hydrates and brightens the complexion. Benefit: this mask cleanses, evens the skin tone, and reduces fine lines and dullness. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash cool water to tighten the pores. Apply your favorite moisturizer afterward. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Friends, write in the comments which city you are watching us from. Second recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, helping to firm and nourish the skin. This mask improves elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and restores a healthy glow. How to use: apply evenly to your face, neck, and hands. Leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Moisturize your skin afterward. Use twice a week. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Third recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. It hydrates and helps even out skin tone. This mask gently exfoliates, tightens pores, and makes your skin soft and glowing. How to use: apply the mixture to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands in gentle circular motions. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse first with warm, then cool water. Use 1 to 2 times a week for smoother, brighter skin. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Fourth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of freshly brewed coffee. It tones the skin and boosts circulation. This mask energizes tired skin, removes dullness, and tightens pores. How to use: apply the mixture gently with a sponge or brush to your face and neck. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Finish with a hydrating cream. Use twice a week. Fifth recipe. Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. It soothes and deeply hydrates the skin. Then add a few drops of vitamin E. It nourishes and reduces fine lines. This mask rejuvenates, brightens, and helps restore smooth, radiant skin. How to use: apply evenly on your face, neck, and hands with a brush or sponge. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash cool water. Moisturize after. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Sixth recipe: take 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. It helps tighten pores and brighten dull skin. This mask cleanses, tones, and improves skin texture. How to use: apply evenly over your face, neck, and hands, avoiding the eye area. Leave for 10 minutes only. Rinse with warm water, then cool water. Follow with a gentle moisturizer. Use once a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. Thanks for watching.